popcorn for lunch.
This right here, this is the future of food in high school. With free access to microwaves down the cafeteria, that's new for this year. You're now able to make your warm meals in the school, but if you're like me, popcorn is the GOAT.